Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up a bunch of new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels J case. Before we open up the cars, the winner of my latest Hot Wheels car giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner. Now let's open up those brand new Hot Wheels cars. The white HW Greenspeed Tesla Model 3. The Golf Racing Custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. The red Gumball 3000 69 Corvette Racer. The purple Nightburners Dodge Challenger Drift Car. The 60th Anniversary Barbie 2014 Corvette Stingray. The red HW Race Day Porsche 917 LH. The HW Flame 67 Chevy C10. The HW Hot Truck 67 Jeepster Commando. The Blue Rod Squad 69 Dodge Charger 500. The green Volkswagen Caddy truck. The white Musclemania 68 Copo Camaro. The black and yellow Moon Eyes Volkswagen Käfer Racer. The HW Rescue 2010 Camaro SS. The Black Nightburners 85 Honda City Turbo 2. The regular Treasure Hunt HW Armored Truck. The red HW Race Day Indy 500 Oval. So there we have a little variety of some of the new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels J case. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe here to HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.